Good day everyone, I'm Jonah Padrogana. I will continue the topic about difficulties in moving and walking, and I will be the last reporter for Group 4. Let's proceed. Congenital malformation, defined as structural or functional anomalies that occur during intrauterine life, also called birth defect. Congenital anomalies or congenital malfunctions, this condition develop prenatally and may be identified before or the birth or later in the life. Limb malformation is when a baby arm's or leg does not form normally as a baby grows in the uterus or does not form properly during the pregnancy. The baby born with a defect. So, example is the mother not properly during the pregnancy. So, may posibilidad na ang bata makakuha og limb malformation. Ang limb malformation is katong na ay ilahang tiil lang daliri sa paa, so na ay makulang or masobra na apoy digit kaayo, mo siya ang tawag na limb malformation. Limb deficiency, katong mga bata na all of their leg, arm, hand, or foot is missing. Ang kalahian sa limb deficiency and limb malformation is katong baby na dili normally ang grow sa uterus of the mother. Mauna makakos og limb malformation paggawa sa bata ang daliri niya sa paa is makulang, masobra, or magkadikit. Ang limb deficiency is katong mga bata na putol ang left or right sa ilahang tiil, kamot, or arms. Ang cause sa limb deficiency can be congenital or present at birth or accurate, the result of disease, an accident, or the other trauma. So, limb deficiency can affect the whole limb or just part of the limb. The general impact of impairment: gross motor skills, fine motor skills, communication skills, strength, ductility, alertness, speed, learning self-help skill, participation in classroom, memory, attention, and perception, mobility, coping with unsustainable environment without mobility, hinder their participation in nursing society, dealing with bias, rejection, and discrimination, difficulties living independently. Next is assistive technology or device. The technology-related assistant to individual with disability Act of 1988 describes an assistive technology device as any item, piece of equipment, or product system, whether acquired, uniquely off the shelf, modify or customized, that is used to increase, maintain, or improve functional capabilities of individual with disabilities. Diba karon daghan na invent na technology or device na para sa disabilities para ma-improve ilahang learning or increase ilahang confidence. Assistive technology have high touch and low touch. Here are different types of wheelchair for the difficulties in moving and walking. Example of assistive technology have three: no touch, low touch, and high touch. In low touch are pencil grip, post-it notes, slanted surface, racing line, paper covered overlay, tactile letter, magnifying bar, rotating pencil. Low touch is buzzer, portable board, processor, talking calculator, MP3 player, electronic organizer, switch, buzzer, light. High touch is a radar, touchscreen device, computerized distance, speech recognition software, word processor, text-to-speech, and progress monitoring software. These are some examples of assistive technology. The next is Paralympic. Paralympics Games or Paralympics. This event participation of with disabilities to show their talent and inspire people with or without disabilities to have freedom to join or achieve their goal without discrimination. Here are some examples of Paralympics Games. First is para-archery or Paralympic archery. Next is para-badminton. The next is para-canoe. It's a canoeing discipline for athletes with physical impairment, race over 200 meters. Next is para-cycling. is the sport of cycling adapted for cyclists who have various disabilities. Also, this sport consists of 7 different events, which include road and track race. Goalball is a team sport designed specifically for athletics with a vision impairment. Participants compete in teams of 3 and try to throw a ball that has bell embedded in it to the opponent goal. Paralympic Judo is an adaptation of the Japanese martial arts of Odo for visual impairment competitor. Shooting para sport, para swimming,
Shooting para sport,
para table tennis, wheelchair basketball, sitting volleyball, and para athletics games. There are some different kind of Paralympics games. And that's all. Thank you.